Today we're going to simulate an Arduino program using Proteus software. First of all, we need to check whether do we have Arduino libraries in Proteus software. To check that, we can go here, type here the category section. We don't have Arduino Emulator libraries. Because of that, we don't have Arduino in Proteus. To get the library, we can search in Google. Like this, and how to add Arduino libraries in Proteus 7, 8. This is www.instructables.com. It is a great website. They have electronic projects, a variety of things over there. You can check using my link below in the description. Here also they have describe how you should connect with Arduino using Proteus. I'll explain it in this video. You can download the library folder here from here. Okay. Here you have Arduino libraries. Now you just have to extract files. Okay, you have to copy these two files. After we copy this, go to C. In some Proteus softwares, we need to go to the library folder is in program files, lab center electronics, Proteus 8. Here we can find the library folder in some softwares, in some versions like Proteus 7. The library folder is here, but in Proteus 8 we can find it in program data folder. If you can't find the program data folder here, go view hidden items. Here you can find program data. Then over here, lab center electronics. Here you can find library. Then paste them. Okay, done. Now you have to close Proteus software, then restart it. Then go to devices, try to type okay, now you can find this emulator section over there. Here you have Arduino Mega 1280, also 2560, then Arduino Uno. You can choose any of them. Now I'm going to use Arduino Uno. Select it. Okay. Now we need to open Arduino software. Here, first, we can open an example, a basic one, Blink program. Here in the Blink program, we go into Blink. Okay. 13th pin of Uno Mega 0. Okay. 13th pin. Also, go to the file section, preferences. Here you need to select this, not the upload. Okay, select OK. Then verify it. Okay. Now check. Now check for a hex file. Okay, here you have a hex file. Okay, copy it. Go to the Proteus program file. Okay, paste it. Select OK. Now you need to design a circuit. Use a resistor. Okay. Then one LED. Okay. From the 13th pin, draw the circuit. Go to terminals, ground. Okay. Now you need to run this program simulation. Before that, you need to reduce the resistor value. Reason, otherwise your LED will not on. Okay. Now you can see the Blink program running well. That's all. See you later. Thank you.